I'm going to explain to you PSR, or Product Supply Reliability, what it means to your customers, and what it means to your organization. Hey guys, I'm Ross with RMP 24/7. We propel reliability and maintenance productivity. Let's start by giving the definition of PSR. PSR, or Product Supply Reliability, is the organization's ability to consistently supply the same quality product at a reasonable cost and at the required time. PSR is probably the most important KPI or key performance indicator for reliability performance, but it's the least understood. In this video, we're going to explain what PSR means to your customers, what it means to you, and how to measure it. Note that your customer is not necessarily the final consumer. Let's go over your customer's 5 PSR expectations. First expectation is product quality. The customer expects product quality that meets their specs. At any time, you need to show your customer the procedures and process controls you use to make quality products. If you are ISO certified, that will be a huge plus to you. Second expectation is equipment reliability. The customer expects to see that your equipment is maintained and improved through organized maintenance procedures and capital investment. If your equipment is old and unreliable, the customer will deem you as an unreliable supplier. When your customer visits your site, they pay attention to your equipment. Third expectation is production location, or having plants in different geographies. This will make product delivery easier. It will also show that you don't have to have all your eggs in one basket if a natural disaster or big reliability event hit one of your production sites. Fourth expectation is financial health. This is important because if your company's financials are not strong, it will not be able to withstand any downturn in the economy. A company that's not doing well financially will be distracted and unreliable. Last expectation is raw material supply. That's the product supply reliability of your own feedstocks, the stuff you need to make your own product. How is PSR measured inside your organization? In general, there are 2 scenarios for making product. It's either you are making product or not making product. If you are making sellable product, that's the green portion of the block diagram. Now, if you are not making quality product, this could be due to a planned event like a turnaround or a product mix. That's the yellow portion of the PSR block diagram. Think of these losses as incidentals that are needed to continue to make product. The red portion of the block diagram covers all your unplanned losses, the waste. This mainly comes from unplanned equipment failure, but could be from any incident that took longer than planned. Example, a turnaround that took longer to execute than scheduled. The extra time the turnaround took will be classified as a waste. Let me show you how to measure PSR. PSR is simply a ratio of quality product made plus the incidentals to your best month performance. This is sometimes known as maximum asset capability. It's the sum of the green and yellow divided by a maximum or best month ever. In this example, you could see how PSR is measured. The green or sellable product is 35 million pounds. The yellow, or pounds lost for planned downtime, is 10 million pounds. And the best month ever is 50 million pounds, given a PSR of 90% for the month. For continuous manufacturing companies, a world-class PSR is around 97 or 98%. For a discrete manufacturing company, a good PSR could be in the low 90s. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like these in the future, then please subscribe and leave us a comment. Thank you.